Hola my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Karishkar. And before all my comments just turn into what lip color you're wearing, because that's the only thing on my face today, I'm wearing no makeup, just the lip, and it's the Lotus Herbals lip gloss in the shade Pure Peach. It's a very pretty lip gloss, and this is my first ever fashion sort of a video. So basically it's a haul, it's an Urbanic haul. I bought a lot of stuff from Urbanic. I did this shopping like 1.5 months back, but because of the lockdown, all my packages and shipments were delayed from Urbanic. What late I made packages, but regardlessly here we are with the haul. Also the try on bit I filmed like 2 weeks ago, but completely forgot to film the whole entire video. So apologies for all the delay. I shopped a lot from Urbanic. It's basically casual summer clothing. So I got picked some really nice and vibrant colors also for shooting purposes, but like just in general, summers to me is like about nice fresh colors, easy breezy clothing. Also I dress rather modestly, so you're gonna find a lot more covered summer clothing if you get me. That's just my thing, that's how I prefer to dress. Also the total came out to be 20,000, like a whopping 20,000 I spent on my clothes, but that is because I did not shop at all last year because of the lockdown situation. Again, last year मैंने zero shopping करी थी समर्स की, तो इस year समर्स में बस literally कपड़े ही नहीं थे. I was like I need clothes, and फिर lockdown लगा and I was like bro मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है. मैं ये हर साल लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में you know. and Urbanic पे काफ़ी सही मुझे प्लस साइज लोगों के लिए कपड़े, स्पेशली आई एम अ थिक गर्ल, आई एम लाइक आई लाई एनीवेयर बिटवीन लार्ज टू एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज टू इवन डबल एक्सएल डिपेंडिंग अपॉन you know the outfits from Urbanic. Yeah, I am a thick girl and बहुत rarely होता है कि वेबसाइट पे अच्छे thick girl friendly outfits मिले. So I got a bunch of them. If you're a thick girl and you're interested in some cool fashion, cool affordable fashion for that matter, please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with like the more basic t-shirts because I got a bunch of them. And the first one right here is this tie-dye t-shirt. It's a very basic but a very cute t-shirt. I mean, I live in this t-shirt. मैं इतना पहनती हूँ ना, because it's been I guess 15-20 days or more that I've received my package. I have been just wearing this. अभी भी ये मैंने मशीन से निकाली है, वॉश होने के लिए गई हुई थी. I was like नहीं, मुझे हॉल वीडियो बनाना है. And I got this one in the size XL because I was not aware कि मतलब मैं t-shirts मंगवा रही तो किस size में. I was confused between large and XL seeing the size chart, but I went ahead with XL because I like my t-shirts to be a little loose and comfy, and so it is so loose and comfy. Like it's a very nice, easy, breezy, comfy सी t-shirt है. And the fabric, however, of this t-shirt in particular is not the softest. Like कुछ और t-shirts हैं जिनका fabric बहुत ही soft और बहुत ही अच्छा है. This is nice, definitely the fabric is not bad, but it's not like super soft or like वो होता है ना जो बिल्कुल ही ओहो क्या टी-शर्ट पहनी है. This is how I'll be explaining fabrics in the video. Okay, I have this t-shirt right here. So this one was also priced at like 800-850 rupees. ये t-shirt भी मैंने बहुत पहनी है और मैंने बहुत वीडियोस भी बनाया और मैं रोज पहन के बैठी होती हूँ because मुझे इसका कलर बहुत पसंद है. I love the color. It also has that sort of tie-dye effect. And the orange is so vibrant, so fresh, and just so nice to wear in summer. So this is the size large, yet it's like a little loose and comfy to me. So what I realized, Urbanic के sizes in general थोड़े से बड़े हैं than the regular. If you usually go for an L, you might want to go for an M in this case. And then here I also have this basic ass black t-shirt with this dragon thingy in like purple. It's super basic. The t-shirt is very nice, very good quality again, super soft, and just yeah, it hasn't faded regardless of the fact that मैं बहुत बार पहन चुकी हूँ. Again, one of the t-shirts I'm sort of living in. So this one in particular is also in the size large, and a couple of t-shirts that जो picture में मुझे थोड़ी loose लग रही थी ना on the you know skinny model, I ordered those in large, and the others that were like relatively fit on the model I got in size XL. And next up I got this very cute crop t-shirt from Urbanic. It says Mabu, and again I love how it fits on my body. It has almost the perfect fit. The only thing, like the छोटू teeny tiny bit thing that I don't really like about it is the fact that इसकी sleeves बहुत short है, and I have really thick arms, so my arms are like very heavy, so I prefer to wear like slightly longer sleeves. बस वो मुझे इसकी चीज़ लगती है कि यार इसकी arms ना बहुत ही short है. It's like you know, इतनी सी छोटी सी sleeve है इसकी, बस इतनी सी. But other than that, the fit of it, the feel of the fabric, everything so comfy, so good quality. I just really like this crop tee. I only wish it had like a slightly longer sleeve, but regardlessly it's very nice and I'm gonna wear it any which way. And next up I also got this very neon crop t-shirt from Urbanic, something that I honestly would not really wear. Like I didn't think I would ever wear something like this, but dude, it fits so well, so beautifully, and just, you know, it just brightens up my face and my mood so well. Like I never really, मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए ली थी, मुझे लगा मैं सिर्फ shoots के लिए, और if I have to do like a neon look, it will really complement that. I literally got it solely for like my shoot purpose. I'm really gonna wear it outside and I can't wait to do that. It also has this patchwork detailing on the arms. The arms are also slightly like longer as compared to the other one for sure. Iska fabric bhi, again, it's very soft, the similar soft t-shirt fabric. Next up we have this ribbed crop tee. This is in the size XL. However, it's very like बहुत ही लूज और बहुत ही मतलब comfy है, ये बहुत ही लूज है. So it's just how it, उसका स्टाइल ही ऐसा है कि इतनी लूज सी है. इसका बस एक कॉन मुझे लगा, like I do wear crop tops, but ये ना, it's super short, so it only covers, like it just covers my bust area, or like it just covers my bust area. So if I make any movements and all, it will go up, so I have to wear like a tube top or like a spaghetti underneath, so that I'm very comfortable around the day with this one. It's however in the size large, so you can definitely size down. Right, so here I have the last piece in the t-shirt category. It's more so like a two-piece set, so it's the t-shirt and the pants together. So this is how the t-shirt looks like. So yeah, it's just a soft t-shirt fabric material, very easy breezy, nothing too fancy. And these are the pants it comes along with. So these are also pretty loosey on me. Like pants to मेरे को t-shirt से भी ज़्यादा loose है, but I quite like it. That's all right. And on top of that, it also comes with like a cloth belt that you can tie a bow with, you know, on this, and it looks lovely when the t-shirt's stuck in and you pair it with these pants. It's super basic, I know that, but it's also very wearable and something I would actually wear, you know, generally going out or just staying indoors. Anyway, so it's a very nice two-piece set and I quite really like it. Very casual, very easy breezy, you know, for a day out. And more so getting into sort of tops. Here we have this one-shouldered sort of a t-shirt top, whatever you want to call it. I just thought that it, you know, the cut will be like slightly deeper for the one shoulder, at least when I saw it on the app. From the picture, it's a little high up there. It's a very okayish top according to me. मतलब मेरे को ये बहुत पसंद नहीं आया. I don't hate it either. The quality is good, everything is good. And just like the way it fits on me is very okayish. So that's all I got to say about this one. And next up I have this top right here, which again is like a very loosey, easy breezy. It's more of like a sweater material, just by the way. I didn't read the name carefully before ordering this one. I really like the loosey, easy breezy style, so I picked this one up. But it's a cutout pullover sweater, something like that. So I got this in the size XL, yet it is like super huge, big, loosey, easy breezy on me. That's how the style is. I also like the fact that it has like sort of a boat neck, so you can wear it like this also, but you can also make it one shouldered very easily and looks very pretty. And tops, I also got this very cute top. This is probably one of my favorite tops of them all. I love white. I absolutely love white. I love colors, but I also love classic white and the floral print. मुझे usually floral prints नहीं पसंद आते for some apparent reason. Like it's very rare that I like a very nice floral print, but this is such a pretty, cute, feminine. Like the vibe is just so nice of this top. It fits me perfectly. It just fits me perfect. Like this top was made for me. I really like it. I love probably like a bigger or deeper neckline. I like a easy breezy neckline. I don't like very short necklines. I feel suffocated in them. So it has a nice square necks, sweetheart necks. Love them. They're just beautiful and they just really, you know, complement my body type, I believe. So it has a square neckline and it also has like these full sleeves, but it's just so easy breezy, and yet the fabric is very like nice and thin and, you know, easy breezy. I've used this word like 20,000 times in this video, but you get the deal. So regardless of being it full sleeves, it's not the kind of fabric जिसमें तुम्हें गर्मी लगे कि बहुत ही thin और बड़ा. हाँ, बहुत cool सा fabric है, so you'll not feel hot in this. And then from the waist, It's basically this sort of elastic material that hugs your waist beautifully, and yeah, it's just perfect. I really like this top. And next up I also got this very pretty maroon top from Urbanic. I love reds and maroons as well. I think they really complement my skin type, my body, not my body type, but they really, you know, reds really complement my skin tone, I believe, and they just really bring out my features well. So I really like this top also. It just really complements my face and makes me look pretty. It has a deep V neckline. The neckline on this one is kind of deep, so I might want to wear it with like an additional inner or tube or spaghetti or something like that. But apart from that, it's very nice. Also the sleeves are like very free flowing like so. And lastly, tops ke liye I got this spaghetti tank top thing right here. It's a very cute lilac basic spaghetti top. It's however like slightly crop on me. At least mere pe it's like a crop top, but on some people it's like a full top, so you got to see for yourself. On me it's a crop top. Well, also I got this tank vest in the style XL, and it's very stretchy, so it will fit, you know, it will fit anybody. It basically hugs your body accordingly, and it's oopsie it's very stretchy. The material is very nice. It hugs your body well. It's ever so slightly see-through, like ever so slightly see-through. I don't really wear tank tops like on their own, honestly. I might style it with like an additional jacket or something like that, also because the armholes are like slightly deep, so I might not really wear it on its own. Maybe for shoot, like I did a couple of videos wearing this one solely, but I won't really wear it out because the armholes are like pretty deep, and I do need either something underneath like a tube top or something over it to really feel comfy, honestly. Okay, and in the tops category मुझे realize हो रहा है कि मैंने बहुत सारी shopping करी है. Shit. हाँ, मैं दिखाते थक गई. And lastly, in the tops category here I have a long shirt right here. I love the basic checks print. You know, the color, the print is so basic, so subdued that I really like it. And this like comes like mid calf length है इसकी roughly. हाँ, so it comes like mid calf, and it's also like slightly thicker. The material is slightly thick, like sort of winterish material, or like autumn to winter material. But I actually really like this stuff, and also the style of it. It's just very nice, easy breezy. If you are more into modest clothing, you're really gonna like it. But also if you want to style it with like a not so modest way, I also style it with like a crop spaghetti top. So there's like the midriff exposed, and then I have my high waist jegging, so it looks nice in totality. In a whole, the whole composition of the outfit looks nice, because the, you know, t-shirt is also covered, shirt is also covered, full sleeve, and then just a long shirt. But all in all, it looks like a very smart outfit when, you know, pulled off together with like a basic jegging and a spaghetti or a crop spaghetti as per your liking. And yeah, it looks good. Then I also got a couple of lowers. So first thing I have right here is a jogger. It's a very basic jogger. It's in the color white. The first one is white. I actually got two of these. So एक मैंने white और एक black same joggers लिए. It has no design or something like that on it. They have like basic pockets and plain as jogger. And that's how they are from the bottom. That's how it hugs your ankle, I suppose. They also have the elastic thing on your waist, so they hug you nicely. The fabric is very nice. It's actually very thick fabric for that matter. It's also more soft, like a sort of vintage material. A बहुत thick fabric, so you might feel you know, slightly sweaty if you're going in like hot summer outside. Because one day I actually wore it outside and मुझे गर्मी लग रही थी, so I'm not gonna lie, but it's really good quality, I tell you, because मैं इसको, ये मेरे joggers पहले आ गए थे, so I've been wearing them from like 2 months now, and still the quality is like, मतलब वैसी की वैसी है. इसमें वो नहीं हुआ कि कुछ खराब हो गया, फेड हो गया या रफ हो गया. So that I appreciate. The only thing with the white jogger is that इसमें pockets की जो outline आती है वो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. I really hate that. जैसे pockets की बिल्कुल outline आती है, like nah. But whereas in the black one there's no outline of pockets. It's just the same thing in black. As you can see, it's so basic yet so cool. Lastly, for the bottoms, मैं इसका tag तक नहीं उतारा अभी. I have these bottoms. It's basically like a ribbed jeans, but it's not a jeans. Buttons वाली jeans नहीं है, ये वही elastic वाली jeans है ऊपर से. So it has this nada thing basically, so you have to knot it, and it's slightly loose on me. This is extra large, yeah, this is XL, yet it's like slightly loose on me, especially from the waist थोड़ी सी लूज है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट्स नाइस. इट फिट्स मी लाइक अ generic jeans. I mean it fits me like it has slightly looser fit. बहुत skinny jeans नहीं है ये, but it fits me well. It's extra large. I might have gone for large. I thought my thick thunder thighs would not, you know, be able to wear that, but actually it fits me pretty well. Lastly, I also got some dresses from Urbanic for no apparent reason. मुझे घर पे बैठना, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों dresses shop करनी थी, but I just felt like so I got some. Basically this is like a wrap up dress and you just have to wrap it up around your body and knot it उसके अंदर ही. So the knot is not visible. उसके अंदर ही ऐसे knot करने का कुछ है सिस्टम. अब मैं आपको समझाऊँ कैसे, समझ नहीं आएगी, ये लेके ही समझ आएगी बेटा. But regardlessly, this is the print of it. It comes like a asymmetrical frock style which is super pretty. I love the basically जिसका end में asymmetrical ऐसे frock style आता है ना, मुझे वही बहुत पसंद है इस ड्रेस का. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत feminine and it gives you like sort of a slight cut. थोड़ा ऊपर तक ऐसे कट आ रहा था and basically asymmetrically follow हो रही होती है. So I really like this one for that. And next up I also have this long asymmetrical dress. It's actually a full length dress. ये बिल्कुल I guess नहीं mid calf या फिर पूरी full length है, मुझे भी ध्यान नहीं आ रहा. So it's a long dress. It has this off shoulder thing, off shoulder with like the elastic thing. It's actually slightly loose on me from the bust area. That's pretty odd क्योंकि otherwise it fits beautifully. So इसलिए I did not want to size down in this. Probably I like get it altered a little from the bust area because just the bust area that's like slightly loose. अगर वो bust area fitting में होगा ना, because बाकी dress का free flow बहुत अच्छा है, so मुझे वो खराब नहीं करना था. It fits me well from the arms and from rest of the dress. इसका भी मुझे end में जो asymmetrically ऐसे आ रही होती है ना, I love that. And it's also sort of that frock style asymmetrical finish at the end and it's very very pretty. I really love how it falls basically. And next up I also got this dress from Urbanic. It has a very deep v-neck. ट्रस्ट मी, ये तो तुम बिना उसके नहीं पहन सकते, बिना स्पेगेटी या ट्यूब टॉप और समथिंग अंडरनीथ. इसका नेक कुछ ज़्यादा ही डीप जाता है. सो इट्स अ जेनेरिक ड्रेस एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक नी लेंथ टू मी. मेरे पे नी लेंथ आती है एंड आई एम अ प्रिटी टॉल गर्ल. आई एम 5'8", so yeah, you can see accordingly. So again, that hugs your waistline really well. It hugs your waist well. So it cinches your waist and then it's like it just flows down. It's not super. It does not flare out a lot also, but it's not like super straight also. It's somewhere in the between. Just falls from there, from your waist down your knees, and it looks pretty good. And last but not the least, I got this dress, this red dress from Urbanic as well. It's probably one of my absolute favorite pieces. Like I have a couple of 3-4 favorite pieces, but this is definitely one of them. It has these sort of 3/4 sleeves that I love. मुझे थोड़ी long sleeves पसंद है, so I love that. You know how it covers my body as well, yet it's very summery. It's very summery. It also has this detailing on the arm, this thread sort of detailing on the arm that looks very cute, and it's just a very pretty frock style dress for summers. You're really gonna love it. You should actually definitely check this one out in your size and in your preferred color. इसमें काफ़ी colors like yellow, green and so on and so forth. तो ये वाली तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है और ये सच्ची बहुत pretty और बहुत cute लगती है. Also this one does not have elastic on the waist, yet it just falls that way on your waist because of its frock style shape, you know. वो उसकी shape वैसी ही आती है regardless of the fact कि इसमें elastic नहीं है. So it falls more naturally like a very easy breezy summer brunch dress. So this one is like a very cute dress if you want to wear out for summers. And that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul video. This haul was like much, you know, awaited and also asked for. ये काफी request डाला था तुमने that what all you bought. I actually mentioned on one of my stories that I bought a lot of stuff and I don't want to open my bank account again to check out the balance and stuff. And you was like haul चाहिए. So this was the haul I was talking about in that story. And lastly, please keep in mind that because I bought so much stuff in this capitalist society, you do not have to, you do not need to go ahead and spend your hard-earned money as such. Only if you need a product, if it's a necessity, or if you really like it, or if you can afford to, you know, spend that extra moolah, only go ahead and then purchase the product. Spend your money wisely, not just because I did, you also have to spend it, okay? And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you in my next one.